Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Padmavathy from Teach Connect. I'm a quality education specialist. Today in this video, we're going to talk about 5 different types of yoga which students can practice in their school at regular intervals, maybe during assembly or during their PE period or something like that. Just the different types of yoga. That's an understanding. Yoga is change in position from a normal, regular, standing, sitting, and sleeping position. Any disturbance or any difference in the position, standing, sitting, and sleeping, it is called yoga. There are as many yogasanas as there are animals, birds, and living creatures around us. Then, the first form is hatha yoga. Hatha yoga is what we see. We change the position and hold the asana for a little while, and what comes to your mind, like Surya Namaskara, like you have Pavana Muktasana, you have Padottanasana, different types of asanas are there where you form a position. Then the next type of yogas is aerial yoga. This is how recently you find aerial yoga done. Like you tie something, a cloth or something like that to do the yoga in the air. And that's aerial yoga. Next one is kundalini yoga, wherein we activate all the chakras in our body. Kundalini yoga is for promoting spiritual enlightenment. Sit down in a bhakti position, pray God, and practice praying God with our inner soul. This is how a kundalini yoga position is. That is, activating the inner soul in order to find out who you are. That's a spiritual enlightenment. And vinyasa yoga, change from one yoga position to another yoga position in a flow, is vinyasa yoga. We don't hold any asana in any particular position, but for moving from one asana to another asana in a flow is vinyasa yoga. Thanks for watching my video. And 21st of June is Yoga Day. Practice yoga every day and take an oath to practice it along with your family at least weekly one. Do 15 minutes of yoga and that's a magic. You will find the inner self and yourself aligning with each other. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to practice yoga at least 15 minutes to stay healthy all the while. Thank you.